How's it going, guys? So this is my 2011 early edition of my MacBook Pro 17-inch, and right now I'm showing you my score for the Cinder bench um, without doing the upgrades, if you call it an upgrade, I guess. But yeah, so I'm on number 11. Yeah, the picture looks super shitty. Um, yeah, because I took it with my GoPro. So right now I'm on number 11, score 930, and let's see if we can do better than that. So this is my first video. I'm gonna start my vlogging, and I'm gonna record my uh, life, I guess, to the $1,000,000. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna happen, but I hope it will happen. And if you guys um, subscribe to this channel, I'm gonna show you uh, everything that I know and everything that I tried before, all of my mistakes with Bitcoin, with Amazon, eBay, with every hustle that I did, and every single thing that I know. Um, so yeah, hopefully you guys gonna like this video. If you don't like it, yeah, sorry about that, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you my upgrade of my 2011 MacBook Pro 17-inch. So let's start it. So you can guys see I used a cheap ass screwdrivers. People are saying use expensive stuff, or not very expensive, because I guess there is a um, iFix, I think, the online site where you can buy some screwdrivers. But yep, I'm cheap ass, so I prefer to use my screwdrivers from China, because I fixed a couple phones, so yeah, I had those in hand. So let's get started. I already started, but yeah, you can guys see that. So this is not really a guide. This is to show you guys that with little of nothing, you can do a lot of stuff. So there is a screws around the motherboard. You can guys see I just go from the top, and I work my way around. So yeah, you have to be careful with those cables, so yeah, just work slowly and you can do it. So now I'm removing my motherboard, and now I'm going God knows where, but no worries. Coming back, there we go, I'm back. I don't know what is that chip doing and why it's like that by itself without any heat sink or whatever, but yeah. Okay, so this is basically, boom, look at that shit. So now I'm like, whoa, what the fuck is that? Oh, look at that shit. Now this is so fucking funny. So I'm showing you guys what I'm using, from Walmart, and I'm trying to pour it, and what the fuck is going on? What is that pouring? Oh yeah, duh, you dummy. You have to first open it. There you go, open it. Boom. Now try it. You see? Dumbass. So yeah, so pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and yep, and just wipe, 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 wipe. Basically, try to wipe this old shit as much as you can. So yeah, and then on the end, if doesn't work, Q-tips, or just pour it like me, on the table like a dumbass. What can I say? Dumbass. So yep, keep cleaning. Now yep, pour it, buddy, pour it. So yep. Okay, keep pouring. Oh shit. Yeah. There was so much shit on that. You guys cannot believe. Like, yeah. Whoever did that, it was a freaking crazy ass. Oh yeah, this is my cat Gigi. Look at that. Like cutie pie. So now I'm going to the restroom to pour more alcohol directly to the motherboard. Like I'm like basically I just give her a shower, you know, cause I'm nuts and I don't give a fuck. So yeah, I'm just trying to clean it as much as I can. Now I'm just trying to vape it out with my dryer because it's soaking wet in rubbing alcohol. So yeah, now I'm cleaning the heat sink. Yep, can you guys see that? There was so much gunk on that shit. Oh my gosh, like someone took a dump. I'm telling you. Like I'm not a professional or some type of shit, but dude, like really? Like I watched so many videos and it's like, oh my gosh, guys. But yeah. So now I'm back. Let me show you. Look at that shit. Boom! Good as new. Or at least I wish. you know? Now I'm showing you. Look at that. Huh? Nice and clean. I guess. Okay. I'm gonna use this conductanite from Grizzly. It's a liquid metal. So you have to be very, very careful. This is my first time using that shit. Yeah, I was showing you that, you know, it says to be careful and not use an aluminum. So yeah, um, like I said, this is my first time. I watched a couple videos. You can first do it on your heatsink before try it on your motherboard because you have to know how to put. You have to be very, very careful not to put too much. You know, you have to just apply enough. So yep, just keep spreading that. Keep spreading it. Yep. So okay, now I'm gonna show you. Look at that beauty. Or I think it's beauty, but yeah. So cool. Now here comes the motherboard. The motherboard, like I said, you have to be careful. So put on the side, on the actual Q-tip, and then just keep adding it, you know, to the motherboard. Slowly but surely. Don't rush it. Okay? So you have to be very gentle because if you put too much or accidentally spill on the motherboard, uh, this liquid it's conductive, so basically you're gonna short your motherboard. Probably this motherboard costs 200 bucks. Basically it's not a lot, but for a person who doesn't have 2 bucks, yeah, you know what I mean. So like I said, just be careful. Now I'm slowly putting the heatsink back together. Um, my heatsink it's kind of bent. You guys couldn't see that because I didn't show it to you, but yeah. Okay, so I'm cleaning my table, kinda, you know. So now I am cleaning my laptop, as much as I can, because I don't have a compressor and this or type of shit like that, I know you can buy, I guess, a compressed air from Walmart. That's like I think 4 or 5 bucks, something like that. But yep, I wasn't prepared, so yes, I didn't do that. So I wiped it as much as I can, and I start putting it all together slowly, you know. Um, so yep, just basically work your way around, put the fans back together. Don't forget to plug them in, because if you don't plug them in, then they're not gonna work, and you're gonna burn your laptop. So yeah. Um, let's see. Keep putting screws. Oh my gosh, this guy's super slow. Jesus freaking Christ. Um, hurry up, dude. Losing my time. I have better shit to do. You know that, right? Okay. So right here, I think, yep, I'm fighting with the stupid keyboard. um, cable. Yeah, yeah, the stupid keyboard cable. That's the most trickiest one from all of the connections. um, so let's see. Yep, I got it. So now I'm swapping my hard disk. I should have shown you guys. I don't know why I didn't show you the box. Probably because I'm dumbass. Yep. But yeah. Um, so I'm just transferring the screws on the side from my old hard drive to the new one, so I can just put it back together. Um, yep. So I'm using Crosshair I think, 500 gigs SSD from Crosshair. Yeah, that was the brand. The So yeah, then I'm using the same brand with the, you see that, Crosshair. So I'm using the same brand for my um, RAM. So I'm upgrading it from 8 to 16 gigs. So yep, I'm putting everything back together. Boom, boom, boom. Um, this thing, it's a box for external hard drive, so I can basically I can use my original hard drive and just move all my data and whatnot back and forward if I need, because I didn't do any backup and stuff like that because I'm lazy. So yeah. Oh yeah, check this out. I'm using a CD disc because my laptop is fucking old. And yeah, and I'm using a CD disc to boot it up and start it. But you can guys see that it worked, you know, for a guy who never done that before, or even tried that before. It worked. um, yeah, you can guys see how much time it takes just to boot it up, only because I'm using a stupid CD that looks like it doesn't even work. So I'm going and I'm grabbing the original one and I'm trying to boot it up again. And yeah, so as soon as we boot up, yeah, 2011, what can I say? Okay guys, so all of the upgrades that they did was liquid metal, um, then upgrading the RAM and installing a SSD hard drive. So yeah, you can guys see I did 1001. I'm pretty close to number 10, wherever it is that score me. But yeah, so like I said, this is my first video and I'm gonna start showing you my life to $1,000,000. Hopefully, we will see. So if you guys like this video, like it, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.